Welcome to today's groundbreaking YouTube tutorial where I unveil a revolutionary AI tool that lets you effortlessly create apps without any coding skills. Brace yourself as after watching this video, your mind will be blown away by its capabilities. I'll guide you through the entire process, starting with accessing the tool on your browser, Imagica AI. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this tool caters to all with its 3 creation methods: pre-made templates, starting from scratch, or generating an app solely from a prompt. The best part? It's completely free. So, don't waste any time and join me on this journey to unlock the future of app development. Let's dive in and explore the limitless possibilities together. So, first of all, open any browser on your device and search for Imagica AI. After that, log in or sign up and watch the Imagica tutorial that pops up.
Let me show you how to build an AI search engine with Imagica. Start with creating a new project. Then select what format you want to use for your project. From there, you'll see the canvas where any idea can be connected to AI functions using the plus button. I'll start by selecting the blue plus button and describing the AI I want to create. For example, I want to create an AI that can answer any question and explain its answers. As can be seen, it generated a model without requiring me to consider the technical intricacies. The next step is to test my new model. Let's try a simple question. If you ever want to tweak your model's functions, just double-click on a function and edit your AI's description. Perhaps I want the answer in Japanese. The AI will adjust and re-answer the question in a different language. Now let's see if I can use real-time data to answer the question. The AI processes and interprets the gathered information to provide answers based on the information it assembles. I'll start another AI, but this time I'll use the / command and select Ask Imagica. It will know which sources to go to, read the relevant content, and summarize the answers. As you can probably see, it also lists out the sources so you can go fact-check. Now let's publish the search engine. Select Publish As. You'll then see a preview of your app where you can make changes such as adding or removing content, selecting your design templates, customizing the branding and domain, and charging users. Click Publish to get your new link. Congratulations! You now have your very own AI search engine. With this technology, you can ask any number of questions and your AI will respond with the same ease and precision as the models you've created.
Now let's start creating our app from these pre-made templates. To do this, select any template and click on Publish it. After that, copy its link and share with anyone. It's that simple. I have created a language learning app. Now let's create a fitness app with template. Now, let's move on to the second type, where we will create an app from scratch. Just click on Create New Project and then select AI App. After that, build it, and you can ask ChatGPT for ideas for whichever type of app you want to develop.
Let's do it.
The app that I have just created is an app that works like YouTube. Now, let me show you the third and best way to create an app using Imagica AI. To begin, click on a Create New Project and select to start with a prompt. Watch the tutorial and afterward, simply type your prompt. You can ask ChatGPT for the best and customized prompts. Then, hit Enter and it will create your app. To use or share it, click on Publish As.
Let's do it. To get started with AutoMagica, you simply enter your idea for an app in the input field, and Imagica will automatically generate a template, which you can either publish as an AI app or use as a starting point for your project. For example, you could use AutoMagica to create a template for an AI app that helps you learn a new language or helps you write a business plan. The best way to write your prompt is to describe the information you want your app users to enter, followed by the desired result. For instance, if you're building a travel app, you could write a prompt that says, when users enter their destination and interest, the app generates an itinerary. If you're building an investing app, you could write, when users ask for stock advice, the app generates 3 options with explanations and a stock price interface. Let's try this for a cooking app for easy recipes using food in your fridge or cupboard. My prompt is, when users enter the ingredients in their fridge and cupboard, the app generates quick recipes and photos. AutoMagica takes this prompt and generates a template using the auto-generated inputs. You can then test the results by changing the inputs in your preview. To share your app, click Publish As and select a format and theme. Once your app is published, your users will be able to enter their own inputs and the AI will generate the desired results.
This app is like YouTube search. Alright, folks, it's time to wrap up this amazing tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in, tech enthusiasts. It's been an incredible journey diving into the world of Imagica AI, the ultimate AI app builder. If you're eager to experience the apps I've crafted, they're just a click away in the description box below. Have questions or thoughts? Feel free to drop them in the comment section. And hey, for all the latest tech and AI updates, make sure to hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel, Techie Sapien. Your support means the world, and I can't wait to share more amazing content with you. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious. Catch you in the next mind-blowing video. Thanks for watching, and as always, be a techie.